Guys, communication in a relationship can make or break your relationship. It is one of the most important pillars and factors for a healthy, fulfilling relationship with your partner. Because of the importance of this topic, together with Anna Prusińska, my dear friend, psychotherapist and couples counselor, we are running a very special event on the 25th of June at 6 p.m. This event will be packed with information on how to communicate effectively, the most common mistakes we all make when talking about our needs, and how to prevent communication pitfalls. Join us on 25th of June, click on the link below, and you will not regret it. Anna, what is your key message you would like to say to encourage people to join us?
So this workshop can really change your lives. If you haven't tried before to change your communication, to learn more about yourself, this is the best time. It can change not only your relationship, not only your love life, how you connect to other people in relationships, but it can also massively change your whole life, how you connect
Quality
people,
of your
and
life.
all the quality of life will be completely changed after these workshops if you really open up to this, and if you really get all the knowledge that we prepared for you,
If you
all
cure
the tools that you can use to change your communication. And also, what is very important, we'll try to get to the core of the difficulties of your relational life, of your issues with other people. So we try to get to your values, to your needs, to your feelings, to what has happened to you, what kind of attachment do you have when you connect to others.
And this is essential to uncover those important bits in order to get more clarity in how you communicate and how you connect with others. Join us on 25th of June. We are looking forward to meeting you then.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.